Okay. Ocean, house. We Howler Monkeys today. One there. Another one. There we are, little buddy. Oh, there's a couple more up there. Now sometimes these guys, just like in that big tree there, down in front of my house. Whoa. Whoa. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, this is just super cool to have in your front yard. Whoa. There's a little fella there. It sucks, I got my new camera here. Oh, there's one up there, hold on. But these little buggers are all black and fuzzy and I can't autofocus on them. I am super lucky to have all this stuff right in my yard. Oh God, that dude is cool. Hold on. Okay, excuse me. I'm gonna try and take a photo. Hey, while I'm doing this. Where'd he go? There he is. Okay, we got a couple in that tree. Okay, hold on, I got it there. Why, you fucker. Excuse me. Where'd you go? Okay, you guys can watch him. I'm gonna try and take a... Ay, damn it. Okay. Yeah, there's a baby. Where is that? Oh, wow. You guys catching that? Okay, I got a bunch here now. One, two, three. There's one there, one up there. That dude's still hanging. hopefully at about 4 a.m. you guys will be able to hear this wake-up call.